we'll guide you through how to download and install the Medieval Minecraft mod pack. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really great mod pack, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go and close off Minecraft like so. Here we are on my desktop, and now go and open up a web browser. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. To go and do this, the best way I found is to go and use an app. For this app to go and work, you do need to have Minecraft installed, so make sure it is. Then what you need to do is go and search for CurseForge like so, and come to curseforge.com. You can get loads of different mods from here for Minecraft and other games as well, but in this video we're getting the app. So click on Get CurseForge app in the top right, then you can scroll down and over to the left, click on Download Standalone like so. Now it's going to go and download, but before we get any further and start the install process, a big shout out to Apex for sponsoring this video. They've got so many awesome features, and at the moment you can get 30% off your first invoice. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the description and the pinned comment so you can check it out. But just to give you a preview of some of the awesome features, they go and have 24/7 servers and support, so you can go and get live chat assistance anytime you need it, DDoS protection, one-click install mod packs, and many other things as well. They're definitely worth checking out. A big thanks to them for sponsoring the video. But to go and continue, we can come out of our web browser for now and go and open up our file explorer and come to downloads. And you should be able to go and find the installer, and you want to go and double click on it like so. Shortly it should pop up. We can go and click next. You can see the installation folder. Make sure you accept the terms of use and privacy policy. I've already read through them and I confirm I'm at least 18 years old. We can then click on accept and install. It's going to go and download and install. Go and wait. What you need to do is go over to the left and go and select Minecraft. If you don't go and see it there, it does need to be installed, as I said earlier, but you may need to go and click on the plus to go and add it. You can scan your computer for games or manually go and add it. So go and click on the search at the top and you can go and type in medieval. That may be enough. Now what we need to do is go and scroll down and go and find it. The one I like to use is this one here, Medieval MC. So you can go and click on it. You can see it's got 4.2 million downloads. You can go and check out the features here if you wish. But to go and get it, go over to the top right and click on install, and the process is going to go and begin. All you need to do is go and wait. The time this takes does vary. In this case, it's a big mod pack coming at 400 mods, so we do need to be patient here. When it's finished, you'll go and see the play button, and you can also go over to the left and click on my mod packs, and it's going to be appearing here as well now. So all you need to do is go and hover over it and go and click on play, and it's going to go and start launching. Go and wait. When you look to the left of the play button, you should go and see medieval here. Then we can click on play and we can go and run it, and it will go and run. And here we are, it's now gone and loaded. So what I'm going to do is go and click on single player, and we can go and create a world, and I'll go and show you what it goes and looks like. And so here we are in the world, and as you can see, things look pretty different. The textures, we've got other things in our hotbar as well. So overall, it's a really great mod pack, and I definitely recommend you go and check it out.